So the steering wheel button's on the all-new 2024 Sonata. Let's check it out. All right, so starting from the top, you do have the adaptive cruise control button. Now next, under this, I'm gonna go down here. This is how you set the distance for the adaptive cruise control. And these signs right here tell you that you can either increase the mileage by pushing it up, decrease the miles per hour by pushing it down. And if you push it in like a button, you can either pause or resume adaptive cruise control, okay? So that's how that works. So you have this screen that displays safety information. If you toggle next, you can go to your trip computer. And if you see dots on the right side, that means you can actually scroll using this scrolly wheel to go through that menu. So there's your tire pressure monitor, temperature of the vehicle and things and whatnot. And then we hit this again to go to the next one, and that's gonna be your compass, okay? You can get back to safety information on the car. Now this button right here is your adaptive, is your lane follow assist. Hit that and the steering wheel pops up. Now your lane keep assist is right next to it. And to take that off, you're gonna hold this down, just like that. So click is for the lane follow assist and hold it down is for the lane keep assist. That popped up just like that, all right? Now, of course, you have the horn. Coming to this side, you have a mode button, which you can actually program to musical functions. Down here is another shortcut button that you can program to one button of your choosing that's in the menu on the infotainment screen. This button right here is going to be your dynamic voice command. So you tap it, you wait for the beep, and you give it a command, whether you want to ask it to call someone, ask for directions, different commands that you can do on the vehicle. This scrolly wheel right here, you can scroll up to increase the volume, down to decrease, and push it in like a button to mute all the sound. This button right here, of course, is to answer phone calls or to bring up your phone menu. So if you click it, it'll bring up your phone. It'll bring up your phone menu like that if your phone is paired. And last but not least, on this side, if this is for your volume, this is gonna be toggling through the different musical selection, different tracks, different radio stations, etc. And you do that by moving it up or down, of course. And that's gonna be your button steering wheel button guy. All right, guys, so we just checked out the steering wheel buttons on the 2024 Sonata. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below or come in and ask for myself. My name is Mace here at South Bay Hyundai. Let's go.